Thank you. What is Anoma Research Day, you might be wondering? So, to me, Anoma Research Day is our attempt to give you a snapshot of research in progress. If you imagine Anoma Research as this sort of magic black box, into which flows some talent and a lot of time, and out of which eventually pops fully fledged, idealized, perfect Anoma, we are smashing that black box with a hammer and giving you a sort of cross-section peek into its internal workings. So expect works in progress, expect a lot of ideas, expect ideas that may change, and we're looking for, for inputs, for feedback to open up new avenues of collaboration, etc. So what do we have prepared for you today? Today we have 3 tracks. Each track has 2 or 3 presentations, and they will be split by 20-minute or so breaks, so you have a chance to think about it, maybe ask some questions that you didn't think of originally, take a coffee break, etc. The first track is Resource Machine Menagerie, the second track, Distributed Systems Delights, and the third track, Systems Design Selections. We're working with some Swiss chocolate companies to convert these into flavors, but they haven't returned our calls yet. So, first track, Resource Machine Menagerie. We will start off with Michael, who you will see just right up next, talking about the EVM protocol adapter, followed by Xiang talking about the Cairo resource machine, and then Kike and Yulia talking about shielded state synchronization. After that, we'll have a little break and start Distributed Systems Delights, which will kick off with Isaac on Store, Order, and Execute, the Anoma node execution system, followed by Anthony on the shard and executor engines, and last but not least, Jamie on a declarative approach to specifying distributed algorithms. Finally, the last track, Systems Design Selections, will start with Jeremy talking about On the System of Anoma, followed by Tobias talking about the Anoma engine system, and I will give the last short closing presentation, which contains a recap and a sneak peek of what might be next. Enjoy our presentations. Please feel free to send us questions and feedback in the chats. We will monitor the chat and responses both on YouTube and on Twitter or X, and we will do our best to surface questions that you put there and ask them directly to the presenters, and you can hear their responses live. We'll also take questions from the live studio audience. Also, feel free to send us feedback afterwards, what was useful, what was not useful, what aspects of Anoma research are you curious about that you might like to see next time, etc.